All right, so we're to differentiate y is equal to sine inverse of x. So let's start by writing it down. Y is equal to the sine inverse of x. So if y is equal to sine inverse x, it means that the sine of y is equal to x. So now I'm going to do my implicit differentiation. If I differentiate the sine of y with respect to x, if I differentiate sine, I'm going to get cos. So this is the cosine of y. Then I have to multiply by the differential of the inside function y. So when I multiply by the differential of y is dy by dx. And then if I differentiate x with respect to x, I'm going to get 1. If I divide both sides by the cosine of y, I'm going to get dy by dx is equal to 1 over cosine y. Anybody remembers this? That sine square y plus cos squared y is equal to 1. So cos y would be equal to 1 minus sine squared y, the square root of that. Tell me if you agree. Help me know. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
That because the sine square y goes over and become negative, the opposite of square is square root. So y is equal to the square root of 1 minus sine square. So I could say that this is equal to 1 over the square root 1 over the square root of 1 minus sine squared y. But the sine of y from this line is equal to x. So sine square y would be equal to x squared. Let's separate this out. So now we have dy by dx would be equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus sine squared y. Sorry, sine squared y, which is x squared. So this is 1 minus x squared. So the differential of sine inverse x, if you differentiate that with respect to x, what you're going to get is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. We're going to start off with y is equal to tan inverse x. So next I'm going to say the tangent of y is equal to x. Next I'm going to differentiate both sides with respect to x. When I differentiate tan, I'm going to get sec squared y times the differential of y, which is dy by dx. And this is equal to the differential of x with respect to x, which is 1. Then I'm going to divide both sides by sec square y. So I'm going to get dy by dx is equal to 1 over sec squared y. You all remember, s squared plus c squared is equal to 1. If I divide both sides by c squared, and everybody know that s stands for sine and c stands for cos, right? I'm going to get tan squared theta plus 1 is equal to 1 over cos squared, which is sec squared. So this is sec squared theta. So in other words, sec square is the same as saying 1 plus tan square. So I can then say that dy by dx is equal to 1 over 1 plus tan squared y. Sec squared y is the same as saying 1 plus tan squared y. but tan y is equal to x. So tan squared y is equal to x squared. So dy by dx, as Tahira said, is 1 over 1 plus x squared. All right, very good, guys. Very good, Tahira.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see what's coming next.